guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we begin, I would just like to give a quick shout out to Yaneli's Nail Euphoria. Hey girl, you were the first to comment on my last video, and I just want to say thank you for all of your support. So before you guys yell at me for Thursday, I'm going to get into what happened, but we're going to do a quick unboxing first from Jeulia's Jewelry. So they were kind enough to send me over this product to review, so I just want to say thank you so much to them. So as you guys know, I love Jeulia's Jewelry. I shop for their rings, but this time I actually picked up a bracelet instead. I love how Jeulia's packaging is, so if you were to want to give this as a gift to somebody, it comes with a cute little baggie and, you know, stuff that you can include in there if you want to gift this every single time. It's not like something that you have to add on. It automatically comes straight like that. So here is the bracelet that I ordered. I included a little screenshot of it down below. Don't even worry about the price, y'all, because I got a discount code. You already know. But the bracelet is beautiful. I'm so in love with it. Like, the way it sparkles, the way it shines in the light. Like, it's so gorgeous. It's a complete sterling silver, pardon me. It's a complete sterling silver bracelet. So this is gonna last you a while. I've worn this. I worn it in a shower actually a couple times, and it does not rust. The bracelet is beautiful. I'm obsessed with it. Now, the only thing about this bracelet is that you need help putting it on. Now, I am on the slower side, so it might just be me, but it took me about 5 minutes to get this bracelet on solo. And I could have easily just like went downstairs and asked somebody to help me, but if you're living alone and you buy this bracelet, just be prepared for that, because it took me a good 5 minutes to put this bracelet on. But girl, once I got it on, look at it. Like, beautiful. I would have worn it throughout this whole video, but this video was pre-recorded, so I'm obsessed with it. Like, cannot get over it. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you again to Jeulia's Jewelry for sending me over this bracelet to review. My discount code for you guys to get some money off will be down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Alright, so for today, we're not going to be doing a story time. We're going to be doing a walkthrough because I purchased these new straight nail forms. Guys, game changers, like, honestly. So today and Thursday is probably going to be a walkthrough, and then we'll have a story time. I'll have a story time for you guys on Monday, promise. So right now I'm just doing my prep, and you guys have probably seen this 1,000 times, so I'm not going to go too in depth about my prep process, but I do want to apologize really quick for not uploading on Thursday. Honestly, what happened was I'm partnering with another company, and the video just didn't get approved in time, so that's why I didn't upload on Thursday. Like, it's just getting approved, and it's Sunday night before I upload this on Monday that I'm editing this video, because it still hasn't like really been approved. So it'll probably be ready and locked and loaded to go for Thursday. But that's the only reason I didn't upload. I was a little nervous that would happen, so it's honestly still my fault, because I should have had another video on standby just in case. But now I know for the future. But here we are. I'm back. It's Monday. Hopefully that doesn't happen again. And I'm graduating college, guys. Woo woo. I'm graduating next Tuesday, the 18th. Yeah, May 18th. I should really know that. So I start working a full-time position the beginning of June. Basically, I'm letting you guys know that to say I have one more year. For me, I'm going to be getting my my master's, so I'll be taking one more year of school. But girl, that means more videos, period. Like, what? School's over? I'm not starting the MBA program until September. I'm probably going to start uploading 3 times a week now. Probably. I'm going to see how it goes with work first before I make that promise. But I know between now and from when I start working, I'm definitely going to be uploading a little bit more for you guys, especially to make up for last Thursday. It honestly broke my heart not uploading. But you know what? Nobody left in the comments and said, like, where are you? So I guess y'all didn't miss me that much. But as you can see here, I'm just prepping my nails, and here's the second option. If you guys don't have an e-file, you kind of need an e-file for this video. I would say if you want your nails to be extra snatched, but if you don't, you could just use an emery board. Purchasing an e-file is a little unnecessary. I use the Melody Susie e-file. I like that e-file. It's been a few months and it hasn't like died out on me, so if I were to recommend one, it would definitely be that one. I purchased the EC Basket e-file before and it died out on me in like 1 month, so I wouldn't recommend it. Also, the giveaway winner will be announced in Thursday's video. It was supposed to be announced last Thursday when I didn't upload, but you know, I just explained everything that was going on. So the giveaway winner is picked. Don't worry though, we have another giveaway coming soon, but she will be announced in Thursday's video. So make sure you have my post notifications on and look out for that because it might be you. Also, as you guys know, I love doing story times with my nail videos. I feel like they're a nice touch to my channel, and I love hearing your guys' stories. So if you have any crazy stories that you want to let me know, please look in the description box and send me an email, or you can even DM me on Instagram and tell me your crazy stories. They're nice because it gives people a chance to like vent anonymously about stuff that's happened to them. And seeing the comments and everything is super cool. Even like when I used to tell, I mean, I still do tell my own stories, but when I tell my own stories in these videos and I see the comments you guys leave, it's just refreshing. So if you have anything sad, funny, whatever, be sure to leave me an email, or like I said, DM me on Instagram. But it looks like prepping is pretty much over, so let's get into this tutorial. So I'm going to be using my cute heart-shaped glass. I love this glass. It was in my AliExpress haul. If you guys haven't seen that, definitely check it out. But I'm going to be using this slip solution from Double Dip Nails, a polygel kit they sent me, because I'm going to be using their polygel in this video. Now here's the star of the show, guys. Are you joking? Straight dual forms. What? I saw Long Hair Pretty Nails upload a video a minute ago with straight dual forms, and I've been trying ever since to get my hands on these. They sell out like crazy, so I'm gonna leave a link to them down below. I purchased these off of Amazon for like 10 bucks, and they're a game changer. I'm telling you guys right now, I love them. If you're a apex type of person, like wow, if you like a nice high apex, you might have to do some more adding in with these, but personally it doesn't bother me. These are perfect because if you want short, if you want long, you can like mix it up and use these. I'm in love with these dual forms. Honestly, they give me tapered, square, coffin, ballerina. I don't know, they give me all those shapes. So if you're into ballerina, coffin, or like tapered square type of vibes, that's what they do for me. Honestly, they're giving me more tapered square vibes rather than coffin. But I'm going to be using this nude polygel from the brand Double Dip Nails. I have a coupon code for them as well, and I'll leave that down below in the description. So this is really simple. If you've never used dual forms before and this is your first time trying them out, dual forms are super easy. I usually prefer using full nail covers because it does the shaping for you, but since these are shaped dual forms, it's even easier. They're super simple. All you do is you fill in your dual form with some polygel, take your slip solution. If you don't have slip solution, then you can use pure alcohol. And then you just pat it in. You want to make sure that you cover the nail fully. Check out both of the sides to make sure both sides have polygel in it. Your cuticle area should be thinner than the rest of your nail. You want to make the rest of your nail thinner, or you want to make the rest of your nail thicker than the cuticle area, because when you apply the dual form, if it pushes out a little bit, all you have to do is clean it up with your brush, but you still want that cuticle area a little bit thinner, or else it'll look really bulky and, you know, not as snatched. when popping these dual forms off, you want to be careful because if you're too rough, then you might mess up the nail. But yeah, it's super simple. I'm just gonna let you guys watch me work. I'm gonna show you guys 2 different sizes because you can do long or you can do short. It's all up to you. They have little line markers on there, so that's how you can keep track of how long your nails are. So let's say you want to go up to level 2 on your nails and you want them to be that long. On all your dual forms, just apply them to the second marker and your nails will all be the same size. So that's how you use that. I just did the whole thing for most of my fingers, and then I did them short for the thumbnails so you guys could see what it looks like when you do it short versus long nails. For my lamp, I'm using a 120 watt lamp that I purchased from Amazon. I suggest getting an 84 or up, which would be 120 watt or 96 watt lamp, because the higher the wattage, the quicker and faster your polygel will cure and the less time you have to leave your hand in the lamp. Leaving your hand in the lamp for too long can be damaging, but if you guys don't know, I do make SPF body butters and you can apply SPF to your hands and that'll help alleviate all the UV light penetrating into your nails, because if too much is on your nails, then that could leave your hands aging very fast. So I'll leave a link to the SPF body butter that I make down below in the description. But yeah, I really like this polygel and I really am in love with these dual forms. As you guys know, I usually use full length nail covers, but this might be my next go-to because they're really simple and easy to use and they're reusable, so it's cheaper than continuously purchasing full gel nail covers. So here's what they're looking like. I'm going to go in with a lint-free wipe and I'm going to wipe down my nails before filing because polygel can leave a little bit of a sticky residue. So I'm filing with this nail file that I got from Model Ones or Model Owns. I'm not sure how you say it, but I love this nail file. It's a really good nail file. I don't know what's up with these companies, but they're making these nail files like super sharp now for some reason. So be careful. But I'm just gonna file up with this, and then I also went in with my Melody Susie nail drill and I just snatched my cuticle areas a little bit more because like I said, a e-file isn't necessary, but if you really do a good job of making sure your cuticle areas are thin while applying the polygel, then you won't need to do too much more filing around them. So I'm going to use these nail art stickers that I also purchased from AliExpress. Like I said, if you guys haven't checked out that video, I'll leave a link above so you can check it out. But it's really simple to apply them. You want to be very gentle using that cuticle pusher because you will rip your stickers if you push too hard. But yeah, you just want to stick it on there nice and neat, cute, beautiful, and then I'm going to apply a top coat. I've really been loving this top coat by 2B Glam, so I'm just going to apply this on there. After I finish curing that, I'm going to take my cuticle oil and apply that to my cuticles. You want to make sure that you're not forgetting this step because cuticle oil is very important. And that is it. Here's the finale. The nails are so beautiful. It's giving me like candy vibes. It's like I want to almost eat my own nails. They look so like pretty. But I love how these dual forms are versatile. So if you want to do a short length, you can do short. If you want to do a long length, you can do long. If you want to do medium, in between that, you can. As you can see, that's what the side view looks like. But thank you guys so much for watching. Today is Monday, and I promise I will see you guys on Thursday. Apologies again for not uploading last Thursday. Y'all know I stay consistent. That's not like me. But I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on Thursday. Bye.